Hi, my name is Tjasa Mahar-Plavec and I am a managing director of an architectural office at Atelier Emona. At Atelier Emona, we believe in architecture that serves people and in the value of connecting young architectural minds from across the world to empower each other and enrich the quality of our design. Would you like to join a unique architectural event, gain new skills and collect unforgettable memories? Then this is definitely for you. This summer, we are hosting an architectural workshop in Ljubljana, Slovenia, called Atelier Emona. Named after Ljubljana's origin name from Roman times, Emona, this week-long workshop will delve into the question of an infamous historical building in Ljubljana. You'll be introduced to the program brief and work on it in groups. The program includes professional talks from renowned local architects, which will help you along your week's task, and our team of tutors will guide you through the project conceptualization to ensure your design is of the highest quality. During our time together, we'll stay close to Ljubljana's city center and host fun evening activities. We'll finish off with a final ceremony where we'll reveal the winning group, followed by a farewell party. We hosted such an event last November in Bali, where we brought together architectural minds from 9 different countries, and we dug deep into Indonesian culture, its philosophy and spiritual influence. Our time together is reminded by creating genuine connections with architects and learning the value of coming together to seek solutions that would truly serve its future users. Ensure you review all of the information below and learn just how to win a free full pass to one of our next events. Spots are limited, so make sure you secure yours today. We hope to see you this August in Europe's green capital, Ljubljana, Slovenia.